When I was a child, I was always fascinated by outer space and the mysteries of our universe. Today, I am excited because I get to talk with Dr. Wes Ryle at the Thomas More University BB&T Observatory and get a first-hand glimpse into the mysteries of our solar system. I'm Michael Orr, and this is Thankful Thursdays. So Dr. Ryle, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Dr. Wes Ryle. I'm from the Math and Physics Department here at Thomas More. I'm a professor there. I teach physics and astronomy, and I'm also director of the BB&T Observatory.
That's fantastic. And you're doing a talk tonight for the observatory, right?
That's right. One of the big things that we do is to try to do public outreach. And so we try to get folks from the community in to have conversations, listen to a talk about solar systems, stars, galaxies, whatever it might be. They learn a little bit of something, and then hopefully if it's clear afterwards, they come up to the observatory.
That's amazing. So people get to come in and actually use the equipment here and look through it.
Absolutely. That's one of the reasons we have 4 telescopes up here, is because if we get a big crowd, it's nice to be able to send people to different telescopes at the same time.
Yeah. Oh, that's really cool.
Mm-hmm.
So what are you most grateful for about having this here and the work that you do?
So I was actually fresh out of grad school when I got the job at Thomas More. I grew up in the area. When I went away, Thomas More didn't have an observatory. Went to grad school, ended up with a PhD in astronomy, and right about when I was finishing up is when I saw that this job had opened and Thomas More had built an observatory. They were looking for an astronomer, and so it was a perfect opportunity to move back home, be able to be a director of my own observatory, to choose the research direction of the observatory. It was really kind of a golden opportunity that came up just at the right time.
Wow, no kidding. I mean, and it really is. You've been a huge asset here, being able to open things up like this and really do research. That's fantastic. Well, thank you so much for being here. I'm so excited to see the talk tonight and get a chance to kind of look at what you guys are doing tonight.
Yeah, thanks for coming out.
So what are you all grateful for? If you don't mind, leave a comment below.